Hi all, welcome back to one of the few stock market channels that aims to educate rather than sell unrealistic day trading fantasies. Having been in the market for more than 30 years, I have a good understanding of what works and what doesn't. Why not check out our content to speed up the learning curve? Furthermore, we have a new vibrant Discord group with other experienced individuals all helping each other improve. Be sure to use the links below. In today's video, we discuss an interesting indicator, Williams %R or Williams % range. We determine how it's built, what it measures, and how it can be useful in trading. We also discuss the impressive backtested results of the strategy later in the video. Developed by the popular trader Larry Williams, who also gave name to several other indicators, the Williams %R is an oscillating momentum indicator that reflects the current close relative to the high of the range in the look-back period. It's typically set at 14 intervals and could range from a minute to a monthly chart depending on your preferred time frame. The Williams %R indicator ranges from 0 to -100, with readings above -20 indicating overbought levels and below -80 indicating oversold levels. However, it's important to note that overbought levels do not necessarily mean the price will reverse its upwards trend. It may simply indicate that the price is near the highs of its recent range. The same logic applies to oversold levels. This might be confusing for traders seeking a quick fix for all their trading problems, but that's the reality. Trading is a skill developed over years of observation and practice. You need to spend time understanding how the indicator behaves in different market conditions and trade accordingly. We'll dive into those details shortly. Returning to the Williams %R indicator, let's first understand how it's calculated. Here is the formula used to determine the value of the indicator. The highest high is the highest price in the look-back period, and the lowest low is the lowest price in the same period, typically set to 14 intervals. The calculation is straightforward. Identify the highest and lowest prices in the look-back period and plug them into the formula. For example, if we plot the indicator today with a 14-day look-back period, we note the high and low prices of the past 14 days, excluding today's data. The next day, we repeat the process using the most recent 14 days data. We've taken the default 14 days for our calculation. You can, however, adjust the period based on your trading horizon. If you're a swing trader or a breakout trader like me, you might use a longer period for the indicator. Whereas if you prefer short-term trades with a holding period of less than a couple of weeks, the 14-day period might be preferred. Intraday traders can even use shorter intervals for their chosen look-back period. Let's now understand what the indicator tells you and how you can use it to your advantage in trading. An overbought Williams %R indicates that the price is nearing the high of the look-back period's price range, while an oversold signal indicates that the price is far from its recent high range. Once you set a look-back period in the indicator, it works with that limited set of data. If the price consolidates within the look-back period, the indicator can generate effective signals. The key component here is the look-back period. Without credible price action during this period, the indicator may produce confusing signals that are difficult to trade. Reviewing the chart can prevent trading frustration by helping you avoid unreliable signals. The indicator is also useful in trending markets. In an uptrend, many momentum indicators, including Williams %R, can stay in overbought zones for extended periods. However, even in strong trends, prices often pause and move in the opposite direction to digest the previous move. During these times, Williams %R shifts from overbought to oversold levels as it compares the current price to the recent high. This presents a buy-on-dip opportunity in uptrending markets. The ideal time to enter a trade is when the indicator moves from below the oversold mark of -80 to above it, with a stop loss at the recent low price. Similarly, in downtrending markets, the indicator will shift from oversold to overbought levels during relief rallies, presenting a sell-on-rise opportunity. The best time to short is when the indicator moves from above the overbought level of -20 to below it, with a stop loss at the recent high price. Another crucial signal from Williams %R is spotting momentum failure. In a strong uptrend, if the price falls and the indicator drops below -20, but fails to recover above -20 in the next move, the uptrend might be in danger. The same applies to a downtrend when the indicator cannot reach the -80 level as the price changes direction. Let's now look at some results from trading the indicator. The popular portal quantifiedstrategies.com backtested the indicator to evaluate its performance on past data. This might help aspiring traders find the optimal look-back period and threshold for trades. They used two simple rules to backtest the indicator in what they called the 2-day Williams %R trading strategy. First, enter a long position when the indicator crosses below -90, and second, exit the long position when the indicator crosses above -30 or when the close is higher than the previous day's high. The backtest, conducted from 1993 to 2024 on the S&P 500 index, or SPY, returned a compounded annual return of 11.9% over 598 trades, outperforming the buy and hold strategy, which returned 10.3%. This is remarkable considering that the strategy had a market exposure of only 22%, meaning it utilized funds only 22% of the time, leaving free available equity. Given this limited market exposure, the risk-adjusted returns of the strategy are significantly higher. The portal also backtested the strategy on the short side, which did not deliver good results, concluding that the indicator was less effective for short trades compared to long trades. This is unsurprising, considering the market has a long upward bias. While a 2-day strategy might be too short-term for many traders, the backtest yielded impressive results. A longer time horizon can also yield promising results for swing and positional traders. The portal conducted several backtests with look-back periods ranging from 2 to 25 days, all showing similar results. Like all trading tools, Williams %R has limitations. The key lies in using the indicator skillfully in different market conditions. In strong trends, the indicator can remain in overbought or oversold levels, prompting naive traders to initiate counter-trend trades and lose money. The key is to avoid playing reversals until the market confirms them with lower lows and lower highs found within price action. Another limitation is that the indicator can be overly responsive, giving false signals when price movement is minimal within the look-back period. During such times, high and low prices are clustered, but the indicator still responds to the limited price data, quickly moving between overbought and oversold levels. As a trader, you must recognize these periods by taking a holistic view of the chart, price action, and indicator, and avoid trading during these times. It goes without saying that no indicator is the holy grail of successful trading. You need to conduct extensive trial and error before developing a winning formula. While doing so, ensure you trade small and always follow stop-loss discipline, which is crucial to avoid going bust in trading. Throughout my years of trading and studying various indicators, I have developed my own software that incorporates all the essential factors to gain an edge in the markets. My approach focuses on breakout trading, targeting key market structure breaks on weekly charts and combining these breakouts with crucial momentum and fundamental data. This method offers a more consistent and passive approach, eliminating the need to sit in front of the computer all day. Feel free to use the links below to access everything we offer. Thanks for watching.